The Fermi Paradox. Where are all the aliens? One of the most compelling mysteries in the study of the cosmos is known as the Fermi Paradox. Formulated by physicist Enrico Fermi in the 1950s, this paradox highlights the glaring contradiction between the high probability that extraterrestrial civilizations exist and the complete absence of any evidence or contact. Simply put, Fermi's famous question was, where is everybody? The universe is vast beyond comprehension, with billions of stars in our Milky Way galaxy alone, many of which have planets that fall within the habitable zone. This zone is the region around a star where conditions are just right for liquid water, a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. With so many opportunities for life to emerge, it seems logical that intelligent life would have evolved somewhere else, and yet there is no sign of it. No alien probes, no radio messages, no evidence of massive galactic civilizations. Why? This perplexing question has led to a range of possible explanations for the Fermi Paradox, each more intriguing than the last. Let's dive into some of these potential answers. 1. The rare Earth hypothesis. One explanation for the Fermi Paradox is the rare Earth hypothesis, which suggests that the conditions that allowed for the emergence of complex, intelligent life on Earth are incredibly rare. While microbial life might be common across the universe, multicellular complex organisms could be a true cosmic rarity. The development of intelligent beings like humans might require a very specific set of circumstances. A stable climate over billions of years, a large moon to stabilize a planet's axial tilt, a protective magnetic field, plate tectonics, and the right mix of chemical elements. If just one of these factors was different, complex life on Earth might never have happened. The rare Earth hypothesis implies that intelligent civilizations are exceedingly rare because the precise conditions that support such life are vanishingly uncommon. 2. The Great Filter. Another potential answer to the Fermi Paradox is the concept of the Great Filter. The Great Filter posits that there is some step in the progression from simple organisms to advanced civilizations that is extremely difficult to pass. So difficult, in fact, that very few life forms make it through. The filter could be behind us or ahead of us. If it's behind us, then humanity is one of the lucky few to have made it past challenges like the development of life from non-life, the leap from single-celled to multicellular organisms, or the evolution of intelligence capable of creating technology. However, if the Great Filter lies in our future, it could be an ominous sign that technological civilizations tend to self-destruct, perhaps through nuclear war, ecological collapse, or some unforeseen catastrophe. 3. The Zoo hypothesis. We are being watched. Another intriguing explanation is the Zoo hypothesis. This idea suggests that advanced extraterrestrial civilizations are aware of our existence, but have chosen not to interact with us. Just as we observe animals in a zoo without directly interfering, it's possible that advanced alien civilizations are watching us, deliberately avoiding contact to preserve our natural development. In this scenario, Earth might be like a nature reserve, and these advanced beings could be following a hands-off approach to avoid disturbing our societal and technological evolution. Perhaps they're waiting for us to reach a certain level of advancement before revealing themselves. Or maybe we're simply not interesting enough yet. 4. Technological singularity and post-biological evolution. It's also possible that highly advanced civilizations reach a technological singularity that makes them uninterested in communicating with the rest of the universe. This concept involves a civilization merging with technology or creating advanced artificial intelligence, essentially evolving into a post-biological entity that transcends physical limitations. Such beings might exist entirely in virtual realities, choosing to explore the universe through simulations rather than physical space exploration. The reason we don't see or hear from them could be that their interests are no longer aligned with interstellar communication. They've effectively moved beyond the need to interact with primitive beings like us. 5. The universe is just too big. The sheer size of the universe could also provide an answer. Distances between stars are vast, and it could take thousands or even millions of years for signals to reach us, assuming civilizations are even using detectable forms of communication like radio waves. By the time a message reaches us, the civilization that sent it might no longer exist. The galaxy could be filled with advanced societies whose signals have simply not reached Earth yet, or their signals might be so faint that we can't detect them with our current technology. 6. The dark forest theory. One of the more chilling explanations is the dark forest theory. This theory suggests that the universe is a dangerous place, filled with potentially hostile civilizations. In this view, advanced civilizations stay quiet, avoiding broadcasting their existence for fear of drawing attention from others who might see them as a threat. Imagine the universe as a dark forest, where every civilization is like a hunter, trying to remain hidden from other hunters. The logic is simple. If you reveal your position, you risk being attacked and eliminated by another civilization that sees you as a competitor for resources. Therefore, everyone stays silent, leading to a galaxy filled with life, all afraid to make a sound. 7. We are looking the wrong way. It's also possible that we're simply not looking in the right way. Most of our searches for alien life are focused on detecting radio signals or looking for chemical markers that indicate the presence of life. But what if advanced civilizations use completely different methods to communicate, something beyond our current scientific understanding? It's also possible that the time window for detecting signals is extremely short. Civilizations may only use radio waves for a few hundred years before moving on to more advanced technologies that we can't yet detect. In that case, we might just be missing the window of opportunity to discover them. Conclusion: a mystery that endures. The Fermi Paradox is a reminder of how much we still don't know about the universe and our place in it. The paradox has no definitive answer, and perhaps it never will. The possible explanations range from the sobering, we might be truly alone, or civilizations inevitably destroy themselves, to the thrilling, we're being observed, or they're hiding from us. Each explanation brings with it a deeper sense of wonder and curiosity about the cosmos. Perhaps someday we will find the answer to Fermi's question, and when we do, it might change everything we know about life, intelligence, and our role in the grand tapestry of the universe. Until then, we'll continue to look to the stars, searching for signs that we are not alone. Which of these explanations do you find the most plausible? Or do you have your own theory about why we haven't yet met our galactic neighbors? The Fermi Paradox is an open puzzle, and it invites us all to wonder, where is everybody?